What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to a Throtl meet. We got some awesome cars. We got a little bit of everything, a lot of JDM cars. There's a nice RX-7 behind me, and I'm probably the slowest one here. So anyways, I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can for you guys. Let's go check out some cars. We're so lucky we found parking. They had 3 more spots left and I got to park Jackie in here. So RX-7's right here, R35. Just walking around, I already saw a couple of cars that I gotta get a close-up and look at them. Let me show you guys really quick the entire parking lot, and then we'll go back to those cars that grabbed my attention because there is some insane cars here. S2K. One of the things that I noticed is I really got to get the 32 a little bit louder because my exhaust is seriously quiet. Like, I was able to hear everybody else's car except for mine. I've always been wanting to see one of these in person, nothing but YouTube, and finally we get to see one right here. The closest I'll get to owning one of those is probably an RC car, because even finding a chassis like that is already so difficult. I've been trying to dodge all these people because it's pretty packed, guys, with all these people, but check this one out. Little Stancy boy. So finally we got to the part where this is probably the car that everybody's been dying to see, aside from like the Throtl cars. Guys are leaving now. You get to hear the cars. I'm walking with Caesar, and we're checking out this DSM. We got a freaking parachute in the back, all murdered out. Carbon doors.
to go carbon fiber door for sure, bro.
Yeah, you better do that.
You turn?
Yeah.
Oh, no way, man. God damn. Guys, I've never felt a carbon fiber door. This thing is literally like paper. It's a paper. It's so light.
I don't drive it on the street very often.
Thank God this guy has this bar here. It's time for me to head out, guys. I literally got off of work and then I came straight over here. God damn. Badass cars make my car sound like it's all stock. Alright, I gotta go. This guy's smoking me out right here. Oh my god, that thing sounds so good. Like, I gotta do something with my exhaust. I can't keep driving this thing like this. Look guys, like, everybody's expecting to hear this car and it's like freaking bone stock, quiet. I want to get a different setup for my exhaust now. I don't want to mess up this HKS one since it is the California exhaust that I use. It's pretty much really quiet, almost like stock. It sounds good, don't get me wrong, but it's just too damn quiet.